So I'm gonna go ahead and move over here. And you need 3 AAA batteries for this game. And it's $2.50 tonight, guys. It ends tonight. And then after that, it's gonna go back to the price of $5. So make sure you have that in your cart. And if you guys have any coupons that you haven't claimed yet, make sure to claim them.
Welcome to the puzzle game.
It's super fun, you guys. And when the music comes, it means that you are ready to move on to the next level. But anyway, these are the